This is the lesson plan for grade 4 and 5. The children have to be introduced to colors blue, red and yellow. They will be called primary colors. Why are they called primary colors? Because you can mix yellow and blue, you can mix blue and red, you can mix red and yellow to get different colors. That's why they are called primary colors. Ask the children what they see in this painting. They see yellow, they see red, they see blue. They have to use this stencil to paint primary colors, but they also have to leave some white spaces, just like in this painting. So some blocks will be left white, others will be colored blue, red and yellow. Before the children start with this, ask the children how they used patience last class to finish their painting. Similarly, they have to use patience this class to finish their painting. Once they're done with the painting, ask 5 children to come forward in class and talk about how they used patience to finish their painting. Thank you. Okay, it's all done.